To remove people from your photos in Photoshop in one click, let's grab our original layer. I'll press Command J just to work on a copy of it. And grabbing my Remove tool in the Spot Healing Brush menu, I'll just click and hold down there till I can grab it. I can find the Find Distractions button and choose the People button. If it's giving you this target layer unsupported error, that's actually probably because it's a smart object. I'll just right click and rasterize the layer and try it again. It should work there. So I'll leave that little hiccup in just in case anyone else experiences that. And now that we have all of these purple highlights, another option that you have is using the brush tool. You can choose the size and you can choose to add or remove selection. So if there's someone or something that's just not getting, you can add that in. You can also subtract. So let's say you want to remove everyone but a certain person. You can just subtract that one person. And that could be a cool way to isolate yourself or one subject of the photo. And once you're ready, press the check mark button to press OK, and Photoshop will automatically start removing the selected areas. I think it's done a pretty great job, especially for this cool solo person look, or removing everyone like I showed in the beginning. Just to give a realistic look, sometimes certain text or billboards or objects might look a little weird after the removal. For example, the kiosk in the middle there gets a little weird. So if you need things to be absolutely perfect or legible in certain areas, that's where you might want to be using spot healing or some of the more manual brush removals in Photoshop, which you can check other videos for. But as a one-stop removal, this new Remove tool, Find Distractions button, I think works pretty great. It's pretty easy to use, and you can see the results here for yourself in 2 different cool methods. Here's another quick one I did, and this was just for one person, so works pretty well there too. Also in this Find Distractions menu, you have the wires and cable, which works in a similar way to remove wires and cables as well. So my name is Justin Odisho. You can check out hundreds of more on my channel and website. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.